We're reporting from Rukkanwala village at this point of time from district Firozpur. First of all, I request my Vijay to show how NDRF team, Indian Army team, they are carrying rescue operation, and what we have learned, around 400, more than 400 people have already been rescued. We have seen the former minister of Punjab and the senior leader of BJP. He has also come to take a stock of situation. So, sir, what is the overall situation in district Firozpur?
देखो overall situation is very bad. Firozpur is very heavily affected with this flood situation. More than 70 villages ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਉਹ under water ਨੇ, maybe ਕਿਤੇ 4 feet, 5 feet, 6 feet, even somewhere 7 feet. So all the livestock and the crops are totally destroyed. And if you ask me, estimated acreage, it would be around more than 40,000 acres of land, which has been totally destroyed. And the farmers have no hope to recoup that losses.
We have also traveling in district Firozpur at the various location. We have gone to Rajoke, Gattiwala. We have gone to Habib K. We have come to Rukkanwala. You are also taking a stock of situation. How you are going to compensate, because you are in power in the central government?
The situation is this, that the central government is going to send the relief. We have already requested them. But immediately, I feel that there is some gap of communication or some mismanage of the state government very heavily, because the district administration is totally failed. Generally, when the rain starts and these kind of situations are supposed to be, coming forward, the deputy commissioner, he or she takes the stock of the situation. Meetings are held with the civil people, with the people living on the border side. So nothing has been done. The disaster management never had any meetings. You can imagine nowadays, if we say that tomorrow it is going to rain, then at least we should take precaution.
There's no precaution had been taken. No precaution. No instruction had been passed to the people, and that is one of the main reasons why.
You ask the people. मैं ਇਹਨਾਂ ਕੋਲ ਪੁੱਛਾਂ ਵੀ ਦੱਸੋ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਕਿ ਜੀ ਵੀ ਆ ਬਾਰਿਸ਼ਾਂ ਇੰਨੀਆਂ ਹੋਣਗੀਆਂ ਭਾਈ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪ ਦਾ ਕਰ ਇਹ ਪਿੰਡਾਂ ਦੇ ਲੋਕ ਨੇ they were caught all of a sudden at midnight ਕਿ ਜੀ ਪਾਣੀ ਆ ਗਿਆ and they had to vacate their houses. Look at this area, just see, nothing is there, and the livestock and all people are sitting in small tanis, small hutments in the field. So you can imagine how will they bring their livestock.
How many villages have already been submerged in this Rukkanwala area?
I think there are so many bastis around, and total villages मैं थोन कह रहे हैं कि in around Firozpur, and from this belt we start from here, we go up to Husainiwala. There are about 60 to 70 villages, and I mean ਉਹਦੇ small hutments भी ने, बस्तियां भी ने, और ढाणियां भी ने. So all those people are stuck there.
So my last question is to you. We have seen the Union Agriculture Minister has already visited the Punjab flood areas. So are we, do you give any hope to the people that the central government is going to give some kind of compensation to the farmers?
Yes, our central minister had come, and we thank him also that he came here. This is a very crucial moment in Punjab, particularly in this area. So we are asking a huge compensation from them. But I am asking the state government also that they should provide immediately 50,000 rupees per acre compensation. Out of that, 25 should be immediately given to them, and then 25 can be given after 15 days or a month.
So that to raise this issue before the central leadership.
Bilkul, I am going to raise this, and now the situation is this: that state government has disowned them from their present holdings and cultivated land. The Gardavaris were in their name. The ownership has been discontinued by the state government. Now, the point is that if the central government sends the compensation, they will create a issue or a situation where they'll say that Jarnail Singh ji sarpanch here. Jarnail Singh is not cultivating these 5 acres. Whom do we give? So that money they will either eat up or misuse or whatever it.
But you are trying to find out the solution of all these problems, sir.
We are saying that you should, like Jarnail Singh ji is the sarpanch. He knows ਕਿ ਇਹ ਏਕੜ ਕੌਣ ਕਲਟੀਵੇਟ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ, ਇਹ ਕਿੱਲਾ ਕੌਣ ਕਲਟੀਵੇਟ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬਿਠਾਉਣ, ਪਟਵਾਰੀ ਨੂੰ ਬਿਠਾਉਣ, ਫੋਟੋਗ੍ਰਾਫੀ ਕਰਨ, ਉਹਦਾ ਆਧਾਰ ਕਾਰਡ ਲੈਣ ਔਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੰਪਨਸੇਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਦੇਣ ਵਿਦਆਊਟ ਆਸਕਿੰਗ ਕਿ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਗਰਦੌਰੀਆਂ ਚਾਹੀਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ, ਸਾਨੂੰ ਉਹ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ। ਉਹ ਹੈਗਾ ਡਿਲੇ ਸਿਸਟਮ ਕਿ ਜਦੋਂ ਨਾ ਦੇਣਾ ਹੋਵੇ ਉਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਲੈ ਜੇ ਇੰਨੇ ਕਾਗਜ਼ ਲਿਆਓ, ਫਾਈਲ ਭਰ ਲਓ।
It should be hassle free.
Yes, it should be hassle free. Yeah.
तो हमारे साथ सरपंच भी है यहाँ पे। सरपंच साहब, एक बार पहले पूरा देख लें, पूरे का पूरा ये रुकने वाला गांव है यहाँ पे। ये कितने के गांव है यहाँ पे, आगे कितने के लोग हैं जो फंसे हुए हैं यहाँ पे?
सर गांव बहुत है, बंडालो गांव है, 1500 वोट है उसका, और किशन सिंह वाली बस्ती है, 300 वोट उसकी है। एक गांव 10-12 गांव है जो अपने सामने सामने।
कितने दिनों से यहाँ पे पानी भरा हुआ है, लोग फंसे हुए
ये
हैं?
आज 15 दिन से फंसे हैं। तो सोडी साहब ने बहुत किया है इधर, जितना भी किया उतने, जब भी पानी आया तभी इन लोग आ रहे हैं, तो अपना बहुत किया है। और यही है कि हमारा खराबा जो बनता है, जितना भी बनता है लोगों को उतना ही दिया
I
जाए।
request my Vijay to just pan the camera and show that how this rescue operation, which is being carried out by Indian Army team as well as NDRF team at this point of time, because what we have learned from these people, around 400 people have already been evacuated, and now those people who have already been stuck in their houses, they are not able to come out of their houses. Food and other items are being provided to them through these boats, which is going from this Rukanwala village to the various locations. I'll request once again to my Vijay to show that far-flung area. We have seen these houses also, and we can see even through this boat they are trying to approach those people who have already in their houses. They don't want to leave their houses at any cost, because they feel if they are going to leave or vacate their houses, theft can be happened at their residence. So multi-level rescue operations are already underway in the state of Punjab, and Punjab people are still grappling and combating with flood crisis. With Vijay, Rajesh Kumar, this is Group Singh China for NDTV, Firozpur, Punjab.